Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by adding your site property and verifying ownership. Choose domain or URL prefix depending on needs. Once verified, submit your sitemap. XML so Google can crawl efficiently. Make sure to inspect key URLs in the coverage report to spot indexing errors. Use the URL inspection tool for one-off fixes and prioritize high-traffic pages. This gets your data flowing immediately, so you can act on real signals rather than guesses about visibility and indexing. Now analyze performance. Look at clicks, impressions, CTR, and average position. Filter by query, page, device, and date range to find opportunities. Then inspect core web vitals and mobile usability to fix UX issues that affect ranking. Next, review crawl stats and see if Googlebot hits errors or blocked resources. Adjust robots, TXT, and server settings accordingly. Once done, prioritize fixes that will move the needle. Low CTR pages, high impression but low position queries. Finish by validating fixes in Search Console and watching changes over a few days. Use the validation flow to reprocess issues. Export performance data and schedule weekly checks, and enable email alerts to catch new errors. If something goes wrong, no index or drops, reindex the URL, confirm canonical tags and hreflang or rel equals alternate settings, and check for recent robots or security changes. If the problem persists, compare server logs to Search Console crawl activity to isolate the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.